What's up, everybody? It's Grillin' with Dad. And this year for St. Patrick's Day, two of Chicago's classic brands, Turano bread and Vienna beef, are on the search for the ultimate St. Patrick's Day sandwich. The winner will receive a $500 gift card to the grocery store of their choice, and you can enter by uploading your ultimate sandwich creation to Instagram and tagging Turano Baking and Vienna beef. Let's start our sandwich by getting the meat ready. So we have a bowl of this delicious Vienna beef, Italian beef, and corned beef. We're also going to be using the Turano French rolls for our Reubens. So let's get these going. I'm going to warm up my griddle and get some butter on there. Let's go with our Italian beef first. Just a nice handful. Get this delicious grilled flavor. Then we'll go with the corned beef next. And these are pre-sliced, so it's super easy to put this together. We'll go with our bread next, so just open these up and we'll go directly on the griddle, on that butter. We'll get this bread toasted up. Our beef is on the grill getting warmed up, so let's prep our sauce. Now this is a Russian dressing and it's really just a spicy Thousand Island dressing, and it's super easy to put together. So we're gonna start with some mayo, sriracha. You can also use a spicy ketchup, paprika, creamy horseradish, Worcestershire, got some minced garlic, and some diced up Vienna beef kosher dill pickle spears, juice of half a lemon, about a quarter of a white onion. So this will make this nice and fine, easy for the sauce. Okay, we're gonna mix everything together. Spicy Russian dressing will give a lot of flavor to our sandwich. All right, our beef is all warmed up. Our bread is nice and toasty, so let's assemble our sandwich. I like using the Turano French rolls because it's a nice hearty roll. You know, you can get them nice and toasted on the outside, so you get a little bit of a crunch to the sandwich, but it still has a lot of substance to it, you know, when you put the sandwich together. Up next, we have our corned beef. So growing up in the city, this was my favorite sandwich to make. I like using the Vienna corned beef because, you know, it's a local Chicago classic. You can get these at local stores. It comes pre-sliced. Just throw it on the grill, make your sandwich, and it comes out delicious. You can't have a Reuben without sauerkraut, so that'll go right on the very top. Close this bad boy up, and we'll put this back on the grill to get the outside nice and toasty, get the cheese melted, and our sandwich will be ready. You know, I love making Italian beef sandwiches. I love eating them. So it was only kind of natural to put the two together and make one awesome sandwich. Our sandwiches are ready. They are looking and smelling great. Let's try this out. It's delicious. You get that classic Reuben flavor. You get the little smokiness from the grill. That Italian beef just kind of pops in there. The dressing gives it a little spice, sauerkraut. Whew, it's delicious. I can't wait to see your creations. Be sure to submit everything by March 17th. Tag and follow Turano bread and Vienna beef, and head to the comments for all the details.